The Star Glow is not just a toy, it's a device that can realistically reproduce the energy blade with a laminar flame flow. In its essence, fire can create the power blade in the sword of a Jedi like anything else. Activating Star Glow puts streaming fire energy in your hands. It can ignite things, leaving a particular trail in its wake. The body of Starglow Saber is molded in high-strength aircraft aluminum, processed on high-precision equipment to ensure its complicated shape. The hilt is ergonomic and easy to hold either in one hand or both. The Starglow blade is achieved by directed current of flaming liquid. The fuel creates a trail of fire in the air as it comes out of the sword, burning out instantly. These days we carry more smart devices than ever before, and fewer of us are working in a traditional fixed office seating. This raises a real challenge in keeping all of our devices charged while we are on the move. Every device seems to need its own extra charger, with power bricks often taking up more space than the devices themselves. The obvious solution would be to use one product to power all of your gadgets. SuperTank Pro is the ultimate mobile power solution that allows working professionals to set up a workstation anywhere they need. With its high-powered 100-watt USB-C port, SuperTank Pro reimagines your charging experience. You can charge your power-hungry 16-inch MacBook Pro at the same speed as the native power brick. SuperTank Pro can charge your devices lightning fast, thanks to 100-watt max power output from a single USB-C port. The 26,800 mAh capacity enables more usage time than smaller chargers. What's more advanced, Samsung's battery technology ensures peak efficiency for SuperTank Pro. You can charge 4 devices at the same time using the power bank. The power bank's high-powered USB-C ports allow you to configure your work setup with endless creativity, and the OLED display on the SuperTank Pro gives you real-time information about your power usage and remaining charge, so you can plan ahead and make the best use of your mobile workstation. The VAVA Portable Solid-State Drive Touch gives you the ultimate fingerprint security and 540 Mbps transfer speed in a palm-sized package. Experience the convenience of securing and unlocking your critical files with the touch of a finger. The VAVA Portable SSD Touch utilizes the world's most advanced encryption technology, AES 256-bit hardware encryption, which keeps your device secure and unreachable. The fingerprint reader adds an extra biometric layer of security to data on the drive. You can unlock using fingerprint authentication or user-generated passwords. You can transfer 10 GB of data in just 20 seconds with ultra-fast speeds with this new SSD. A power meter is a measuring tool that can be placed on your race or mountain bike. It tells you through your bike computer or sports app how much force your legs are producing real time during your ride. Knowing your power values will help you improve your performance in the short and long term. With a power meter, you can learn how to dose better, increase your distances, outperform yourself or others, and experience even more fun and progress as a race cyclist. Although these power meters generally cost upwards of $400, and a power meter investment is mostly attractive to professional cyclists, and IQ Square is here to change that. With IQ Square, everyone gets to enjoy all power meter advantages combined in one product at a breakthrough price. It's easy to install and swap between multiple bikes. It is also available in 2 separate units that track left and right leg power independently, so you can see if your legs are performing the way you want. It stays functional on dusty roads, and its waterproof casing protects the technological core from rain and splashing water. You don't have to replace any expensive bicycle parts, as you simply screw the power meter in between the crack, arm and pedal. It's compatible with all race and mountain bikes. PrintCube is the ultimate handheld portable printer. It's ultra lightweight, fits in the palm of your hand and lets you create fast, vivid color printing anywhere. It works over Wi-Fi with your phone to easily upload any text, image or design and instantly print onto virtually any object or surface at touch of a button. Printing has never been more mobile and more convenient. With the incredible lightweight, the color printer is portable enough to take the power of inkjet printing on the go anywhere you want. Its color inject personalizes ordinary objects, makes messages that stand out, and is perfect tool for arts and craft.